Smoke detector. Fire is dangerous. House fire kills many people. But there is something you can do about them. Get a smoke detector. Smoke detectors save lives. How? They tell you to get out of the burning house. Many house fires happen at night when people were sleeping. A fire starts slowly. First, there is smoke, a lot of smoke. It actually the smoke that kills most people, not the fire itself. The smoke detector gives you an early warning about the fire. It makes a very loud noise when it is smoke. It wakes you up so you can get out of the house. That's how smoke detector works. If you have a van, you will know what to do. The important thing is to get out of their house. Ask your parent to get a smoke detector. Ask them to practice, and they would do if there is a fire.